crossover too. As we pull the crossover too, we're gonna try to get it up and then get it connected here real quick. You know what I mean? It's already loose.
I don't. Yeah,
Oh,
I see
crossover
it.
too.
Yeah.
And then pop it off. Screwdriver put that on top of the ball. Thought it was cool. Usually people bring the paint strips. Usually people bring the paint strips. Something on them too.
Yeah.
Just bring the crossover.
What am I holding it back for?
We'll pull the tank up once we get it up above the frame. We'll hook that line right
I got you. Well, just don't pull it, 'cause I can plug my finger. Watch it get off. Wow.
Ready?
Hold on. Grab, see where your finger is, plug it with your finger. Got it? Ready? What is this? See what he did? There's a cross tube that goes around here for the gas tank, and it's easier to do with two people because you had to plug this to get it across. But go ahead, can you take it off now? What he's getting ready to do is replace the head gasket. Just this one?
Yep.
Just this one's leaking. I don't know if you can see it right there. Now I'm gonna hear in the comments, so it's a Harley, but what are you riding? A freaking Yamaha? This thing got bigger cams in it. It's a beast. But it ain't big as that. Huh?
It's a brand new stud and everything. It was just off last week.
It should come off.
It was well,
Is it studs or is it the stud come out with
This is nuts. The studs should off. I mean, I guess it's already good. It's all American.
It's all American. Mark. It's got a 12.
want to say 9/16. It's been a while.
They'll run back and forth.
The only reason why running the veteran is finishing one day well. Because I've had it all so many times.
Wouldn't it be easier to take this off?
Yeah.
Where's my battery, my saws up?
That one's even worse because you're going to try to twist the nut back every time.
Well,
Probably.
How bad it was? I can't find it like that. Whew.
What are you doing to rent?
that right there on the front of the battery box, or oil box, whatever that is.
Battery box. Oh, Fuzz changed this.
Huh?
Fuzz. He changed this.
Yeah.
He took the nuts off the inside and put an actual exhaust one on it. Give me a regular box then.
Right there.
You mean you need a regular wrench?
Yeah. Yeah, this one, it's,
Did mattress or standard? I know the half fits on there, but it's loose.
this fits pretty tight.
You want a long one? Leverage?
Yeah, if possible, because it feels like I'm going to break this one.
say, there's
That's too fat.
There's one here that helps do that.